Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open an image multiple times. So before we start we need this on board, PIL import image. If you don't already have it on board you can install it using pip. Now below it I've created a path to my desktop on Windows, so that's my desktop path. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you're going to have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. And then we do os.chdr path, change directory to the path. Right, I'm going to create a variable here called image and I'm going to assign it to input. Just tell the user to enter an image. So enter an image name that they want to open. I'm going to create another variable here, which is the number of times. We're going to assign it to int input. So number of times, so that's number of times that you want to open this particular image. Alright, we're going to go on to a conditional here. So if os.path, and before you do that you're going to need to import the os module here or else it won't work. If os.path.exists, so if this image exists, which is going to be img that you've already typed in, we're going to do a for loop for, whoops, that's gone wrong, what's happening there? Okay, we're going to do a for loop. So for number in range of number that you entered up there. So if you've entered 5, it'll loop around and open it 5 times. And we're just going to print a message to the user telling the user what's happening. Opening, and then we're going to create a variable called image, assign it to image here dot open and img, then we're going to do image dot show. Or else, if there's a problem, print can't find image. Okay, all we have to do now is save it and call it. So open multi. Okay, let's save it. We've already got an image here, so this is going to be called image 1. That's the one we're going to open. That's on the desktop. So we're just going to run it like that. So it's going to be called image 1.jpg. I think that's the name. Hit enter. Number of times, we'll open it 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it's been opened 3 times. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.